Today we are going to read the storybook, Biff's Aeroplane. Do you know where Biff's aeroplane is? Let's discover together where Biff's aeroplane is located. Biff made an aeroplane. Mom helped her. The aeroplane looked good. Biff wanted to fly it. She went to the park. The aeroplane flew up. It went over the trees. It went over the house. Biff looked for the aeroplane. Everyone helped. Biff looked and looked. She couldn't find it. She wanted to cry. She went upstairs. The aeroplane was on the bed. Hope you enjoyed the journey through Biff's aeroplane. Like, share, and subscribe to Arso Academy and hit the bell icon.